How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna teach you how to get Spotify video background. So as you can see when I play my music right here, there's no video background to be seen. So let's change that and just follow these simple steps, and by the end of this video your track now has a video background. Now first things first, I need you to go to settings and on the top right hand corner right here and locate playback. It should be right here. Now scroll down furthermore and locate canvas. Now make sure canvas is turned on. Now canvas is responsible for displaying short looping visuals on the track you are playing. Now let's go check if your track now has a video background. And there you have it, guys. A looping visual or a video background can now be seen while your music is playing. Now if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!